What science experiment are you gonna do today, Kylan?
Sink or float?
All right, so if something sinks, is that more dense than water or less dense than water?
Sinks. Less dense than water.
More dense than water. If something is less dense than water, that means it floats.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Let's see what's your first item.
My first item is Black Panther.
Okay.
It floats. It floats.
Okay, Black Panther floats. Okay.
It's gonna float.
Who is that?
Door.
Thor. So Thor and Black Panther
Floats.
floats.
No, never the water bottle.
It's an empty water bottle.
Floats.
So what does that mean?
It floats.
So that means it's less dense or more dense than water?
More dense.
It's less dense than water.
Less dense.
So the blocks do what?
It floats.
Floats? Okay, what about get the other blocks. Do all the blocks. Let's see. Okay.
Last one. None of them float. None of them sink. So I did all these. I did water bottle. Fire truck.
So does the fire truck sink or float?
I can say. I don't
Let's see, what is it doing? It's kind of, let's see, it's gonna take a little, it might take a while. It's kind of sinking. The fire truck and the, who is this over here? Who is that?
Him?
Yeah.
That's, I forgot his name.
Okay.
Thomas?
He's from Cars. He's the 18-wheeler from Cars.
I forgot his name.
Okay, that's okay.
I forgot.
Let's just see. Let's see if it's gonna end up sinking. It's kind of like in the middle of sinking and floating.
We can tell.
Try to push it down a little bit. Let's see. And do the other one. Do the 18-wheeler. Well, it's kind of like sinking and floating.
Okay, now we do the monster truck. The monster truck floats.
So is that less dense or more dense than water? Less dense, right? Because it floats. Well,
it may have a take a time. What if we push it down? Guys, let's wait for a minute. I think I'll do it. We said floats.
Kylan, what's your next item?
A Captain America Lamborghini.
Okay, let's see. Sink or float? What do you think?
Floats. So this floats.
A lot of them are floating. Let's see.
Mom, it's a seat.
Oh, I know. I think maybe it's how much water we have in there. Because some things are like halfway in, halfway out.
Like the fire truck.
Mm-hmm.
It's sinking.
Is it starting to sink?
Yeah. Well. So this sinks. Next one is I got this for Christmas, and look what it is. You
It's
see
like
it?
shaving. It's a shaving cream bottle.
Yeah. You see what it is?
Do you think it's gonna sink or float?
Sink.
Think it's gonna sink? Let's see. Uh-oh, it floats. Look, it's floating.
Okay. So
Okay.
so it floats. And we got two balls.
What kind of balls are those?
Baseballs.
Okay, let's see.
They're gonna float.
They're gonna float, okay. You were right.
Hey guys, I already put all the items in there. Let's play with them and put the food color in. y'all something. Just subscribe and we'll do some more stuff like this.
That's right. We can do more science experiment videos, right?
Just tell us where you're gonna do it.
That's right. If you guys see any videos.
You too, YouTubers.
That's right. We can do more science experiment. Is this really fun doing science experiment?
Yes. Click on this video for comments.